Alright, what's going on, guys? Just gonna do a quick unboxing of the latest Red Ryder BB gun from Walmart. My wife just got this for me today. Let's see. It says right here, revised 4/18. So this is the latest issue here. Love the box. It's very old school. Looks awesome. So it says right here, open this end. So that's what we're gonna do. Alright, so the first thing you can see here is it has this foam right there on the end. It's like it's cut out so it's over the barrel. First thing you notice here is it's got the instructions. Nice manual there. And here is everything it comes with. Here is the gun. Very nice, old school. That's everything in the box that it comes with. The box here in very nice shape. They only had a few left in this box on the shelf. I had to grab one. Let me get this out of the package and show you guys a closer look. And it's just your standard Red Ryder BB gun. Here's the finish. Looks pretty nice. Got the plastic lever. Black band, the 1938B model. Flip her over to the other side here very carefully. There she is. And that's the current model, revised for 2018. If you guys like the video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. As always, see you guys next time. Peace.